Welcome to Renata's Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a traditional Bengali recipe called Lotey Shutki Bhotta or mashed Bombay duck dry fish. It's a side dish that is served in the main course with rice. It's very rich, hot and spicy. If you like the recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below to get more recipes from me. The ingredients we need are Bombay duck dry fish or Loita Shutki, about 200 gram, cut into small pieces. Fins, tail and head are cut off. Potato, 1 small, skin is peeled off. Cut into very small pieces. Optional. Finely chopped onion, 2 medium. Finely chopped tomato, 2 medium. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 1/4 cup. Chopped green chillies, 5. Grinded ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons each, grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Crushed cumin and coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon each, grinded in mixture and grinder using the chopping option twice. Turmeric powder, 1 to 1 1/4 tablespoon. Kashmir red chili powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon. If regular red chili powder is used, then 2 to 3 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mustard oil, 5 tablespoon. Refined oil, 10 tablespoon. Lemon juice solution, 1 lemon. Lemon juice is mixed with 1/8 cup of water. Bay leaf, 1. Red chili, 1. To make mashed Bombay duck dry fish, we first have to boil the Loita Shutki. For that, boil the Loita Shutki in about 2 cups of water for 15 minutes in high heat to make it soft. Drain water and keep aside. Then fry the Loita Shutki. For that, heat about 2 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the Loita Shutki, potato, half teaspoon of salt and about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Shallow fry in medium to high heat and keep aside. Add oil if required. Add it about 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Stir from time to time. I fried for about 7 to 8 minutes in medium to high heat. To prepare the masala, heat about 5 tablespoons of mustard oil and 5 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the bay leaf and red chili. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the crushed coriander seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and about 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin. Saute till golden brown. Add the onion. Saute till light brown in medium to high heat. Add the ginger and garlic. Saute till golden brown. Add the turmeric powder, about 1 tablespoon, and Kashmir red chili powder, about 1 tablespoon. Saute for 30 seconds. Add the tomato and chilies. Saute for 5 minutes in medium to high heat. Break the larger chunks of tomato with spatula and mash it. After 5 minutes, add the Bombay duck dry fish, potato, salt about half teaspoon and coriander leaves. Mix well. I've added extra Kashmir red chili powder, about half tablespoon, and turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon, to get a good color, but this is optional. Mix well, cover with a lid and cook for 10 minutes in medium to low heat. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. With the spatula, break and mash the dry fish and potato. Vegetable masher can also be used. Add the lemon juice solution, mix well. Cover the pan and cook in medium to low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Cook the dry fish without the lid on in low to medium heat till it is dry, fried and separates from the pan. Keep mashing the curry till it becomes a paste. Taste it. Add whatever is required. My dry fish is good. I'll serve it hot with rice. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box.